Hello everyone, welcome to Trial of Spices. Happy Mother's Day to all mothers out there. This vlog is all about how I surprised my mom on Mother's Day. I made all her favorite breakfast. I have detailed recipe videos in my channel. I'll link them up in the I button on the top and put the links in the description below. Please check them out. To make roasted potatoes, add olive oil, paprika or chili powder, oregano and salt. Mix the potatoes well. Heat oven in 450 Fahrenheit. Add some garlics. Bake it for 15 to 20 minutes or until it gets crispy. To make garlic bread, add a handful of garlic cloves, oregano, salt, pepper. Make them into a fine paste. Add in some butter and microwave it for 1 minute. Once the butter is melted, apply it on the bread. Once you apply the butter, you can add grated cheese if you want. To make egg salad, add some finely chopped onions, green onions, carrot, pepper, mayonnaise, regular mustard, honey mustard and spicy ranch. Mix it all together and spread it in bread and have it. To make pancake, I'm using pancake mix with water and milk mixed together. Mix it properly without any lumps. Leave it aside for 10 to 15 minutes and start making your pancake. To make scrambled eggs, I'm adding some butter, finely chopped spinach and sliced mushrooms. Cook them until 5 minutes until they are slightly cooked. Now add in 3 to 4 eggs. Salt, pepper, and mix them well. Keep the flame on low. Turn off the heat when eggs are 90% cooked. When the eggs are done, serve it immediately. Perfectly cooked scrambled eggs are moist but not runny, with no crisp or brown edges. To add some colors, I'm sauteing some cherry tomatoes. Just add some butter and cherry tomatoes. Just cook it for 2 minutes and it's done.